drinks area category. 7 varieties are we are planning to bring in. 7 varieties. The name? No chemicals. There is no white sugar added. It's natural flavored, natural. There is no artificial colors, no added sugars, no chemical preservatives. Think about it. Is there anything available in the market? Unique, first time in the world, alkaline soft drink. And it's going to come in a 250 ml bottle, single use. It can be used as a cold drink or in an even normal temperature we can use it. Blend of natural ingredients with very powerful, it's going to be an energy drink. Rather than a soft drink, it's going to be an energy drink. Natural energy drink. Same in the coffee. It's going to be a coffee drink. Across India, across the world, coffee lovers are there. We want to help them also. It's going to be a brew for coffee. So green tea, already we all know about the health benefits of green tea. It's going to be an excellent taste, excellent energy drink, instant energy drink. Next. How is it? Orange juice, orange drink. So we are fond of Coca. I shouldn't use that word. We Indians have been seen plenty of advertisements, but still, to make us healthier, the safer way, we are introducing the Coca drink also. And all the base of this energy drink or soft drink is basically from coconut. None of the Indian company for helping the farming community across India, particularly in South India. Same uniqueness, you can see not even a single comparable product in the market. I can challenge. You can proudly say it's going to help us with the health also. Last. We call it as, even there are 2 varieties, Palmyra juice as well as palm juice. We are coming only with coconut palm juice, and these are the varieties we are going to introduce. For coming summer, we should be able to have it in our house, in our refrigerators. That's what most of the ORS solution is made of. We want to give people a better electrolyte, better rehydration under the roof of Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. Next product is going to be, it's a herbal electrolyte. It's going to come as a effervescent tablet. It will be 20 tablets in a single container. Take a glass of water, put a electro tablet into it. With effervescence, it will get mixed up. A single drink, within 3 minutes, it will give you instant energy. Instant energy. Electrolytes. You cannot, I can challenge, there is no comparable product in whole world. Natural, made of potassium as well as sodium salts, plus fructose sugar, not the plain glucose. It's going to give you instant energy, instant freshness. Within minutes you can see, you can feel it. And it's going to be pure natural product, and it's going to come under Ayurvedic preventive medicine category, and it's going to be orange flavored effervescent tablet. First of its kind, 100% natural, 100% alcohol free, frees you from hangovers if at all you had taken alcohol, under the umbrella of Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. It's going to come as a 90 ml bottle, 90 ml bottle, 3 smalls. 90 ml bottle containing, so you can use it for 3 times, 30 ml each, to be mixed with a glass of soda or ice water. You can be very sure after taking this, within 1.5 hours time, you will get a very good sleep. For next 6 to 8 hours, after taking Royal Crush, what is the core issue with alcohol? One thing is socialization. We are giving the opportunity to socialize with Royal Crush. Yes. After taking it, you will have a good sleep. It induces a sleep pattern. Once you have taken it for 21 days, 3 weeks, your sleep pattern will become perfect, set. Even if you are insomnia, you have insomnia or sleep disturbance, no issue. It rejuvenates your liver within 90 days of using it. Your liver would have become totally new. Body pain and relieves you from tiredness. Next day morning, when you get up, you will be very fresh, very energetic, very charged up. And helps to socialize without alcohol. And it's going to have the same taste. Premium, the Edition brand. Your spouse will not say no. With family, you can socialize. So rejuvenates your liver, gets back to your normal sleep pattern. So no tiredness, and it's a medicine. And when you are going to drive, somebody is asking, it's going to be negative. Okay, enough. Put it in the stage. All registered, all ready. What is the base? See, what we eat need to be nutritive, need to be very qualitative, and we should have a very good food, and also help the farming community. What is it? All these products you have seen have the background of black, no? All our products carries black. So new product, it's going to be a green product, all with the green background. It's also unique, fertile. It's going to be fertile. It's going to aid the fertility of the plants for better growth, better harvest, better yield. It's a plant biostimulant, 100% natural. I repeat, it's going to be a fertilizer, but still it's 100% natural. For plants, it's going to help by increasing the shoot height. It's going to increase the internodular height so that you will have a good growth. Helps to increase the root growth also. Even in case of drought, it's going to stabilize the plant to withstand the drought. Helps to increase the leaf area and facilitates uniform fruit size development and clusters in kind of berries or other fruits. It's going to increase the yield. Improves quality parameters such as polyphenols and catechins and amino acids in the plants as well as in the fruits or the vegetables. This is for like hair serum, there is something above the skin and below the skin. Same way, we felt taking care of the plant above the soil is not enough. Something we need to help the plants soil also. Category is Rutaboost. It's for specifically in spite we are going to make it spray on the leaves. It's going to help the plant to develop more deeper root system and the branches in the roots also. Helps to increase the root growth faster and helps to increase the root nodules, the nitrogen fixing bacteria, root nodules, so that more nitrogen is supplied from the atmospheric air itself, not externally we need to apply. It's going to take the fertilizer from the atmosphere itself and fixes nitrogen to the plant, helps to increase the leaf area, increase the flowering and facilitates a uniform fruit size. And of course, it improves the quality of nutrient absorption from the roots for a better yield and harvest. No, I am ready. We are ready. Are you ready? Today, it's a very auspicious day, but it's going to be an overdose for today. And we have our bro CEO rock the market in a unique way. And the de-addiction product, no one has thought about it, no one has tried about it in this unique way, and we have already done it. It's already getting ready. Trials are on. It should be ready in a shorter while, maybe 3 months time maximum. It will be for a launch. This, we have shampoo pending. Work is going on. One of the, it's also unique, going to be unique, and other such products are online. Let us move on to the next, okay? And many more unique products are in the armory for better health and life.